Hello, friends. Welcome back to Do You Know English? I'm Vitalina, your teacher, and I'm excited to see you here again.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jake, and I'm ready to learn, but slowly, please.
Don't worry, Jake. We'll take it step by step. Today, we're talking about the present simple, the affirmative form, the positive one.
Okay, present simple equals good vibes only.
Exactly. We use the present simple to talk about habits, daily routines, and general facts.
So not what I'm doing right now, but what I usually do?
Exactly. Let's start with I, you, we, and they. We use the base verb, the verb without endings.
Just the verb.
That's right. Listen and repeat. I work, you work, we work, they work.
I work, you work, we work. Okay, nice rhythm.
Good. More examples. I eat breakfast, you eat breakfast at 8, we eat together in the kitchen, they eat in a cafe near work.
I eat breakfast, and then I check my phone.
Honest answer, but keep going. I walk to school, you walk to work, we walk in the park after dinner, they walk their dog every morning.
Okay, I see. It's all regular things.
Exactly. Let's do a few more. I study English every day, you study in the evening, we study together on Fridays, they study at the library.
I study a lot, but sometimes I just watch YouTube and pretend.
I think many students do that. Now let's talk about friends. He, she, it. When we talk about one person, we add s or es to the verb.
Ah, yes, the famous S.
Yes, the one everyone forgets. Examples first. He works. She works. It works.
He works, she works, it works. Got it, the famous S.
Good. Now more examples with friends. Tom plays football after school. Penny plays piano on weekends. Lucy plays badminton with her brother.
Tom really likes sports.
Yes, and Penny loves music. Let's continue. He reads books before bed. She reads in the morning with coffee. It smells nice in the garden after rain.
I like that one. It smells nice in the garden. It sounds peaceful.
Yes. Now, verbs that need S. Watch, to watches. Wash, to washes. Kiss, to kisses. Fix, to fixes. Go, to goes.
He watches TV. She washes the dishes. He kisses his dog.
Lucky dog. More, please.
He goes to the gym on Mondays. She goes to the supermarket on Fridays. It goes fast when you have fun.
The weekend goes too fast.
Always.
More examples. Study, to studies. Try, to tries. Cry, to cries. Fly, to flies.
So, he studies, she tries, the baby cries, the bird flies.
Perfect. And a few fun ones. Tom studies at university. Penny tries new recipes every week. Lucy cries at sad movies. It flies over the city.
Poor Lucy. She cries a lot when we watch movies.
She has a big heart. So, to review, I, you, we, they use the base verb. He, she, it add s or es.
Easy. I play, you play, they play. He plays, she plays, it plays.
Excellent. Let's keep going with more everyday actions. I cook dinner every evening. You cook very well. They cook together on Sundays. He cooks pasta for his friends. She cooks for her family every weekend. It smells so good when she cooks.
She cooks well, but Tom burns toast every time.
Poor Tom. He tries, remember?
Right, he tries, but the toast dies.
Oh, Jake. More examples with different verbs.
I listen to music in the evening. You listen to podcasts while driving. They listen to their teacher carefully.
He listens to rock music. She listens to jazz and relaxes. It sounds great when she plays music.
Okay, so every time I use he, she, or it, I add that s or es.
Exactly. And now you'll never forget it.
I'll try, I promise.
That's enough practice for the positive form. In the next part, we'll talk about negatives. How to say when something doesn't happen.
Oh yeah, my favorite part. I don't do homework.
Jake, don't even start. All right, friends, let's move on to the negative form, when something doesn't happen.
My favorite part, saying no to everything.
Yes, Jake, but in grammar form. The rule is simple. For I, you, we, they, we use don't plus base verb. It means do not, but we usually use the short form don't because it's easier and people say it more often. For he, she, it, we use doesn't plus base verb. We use doesn't. It means does not. But we use the short form doesn't because it's more natural and people use it all the time.
I don't, you don't, they don't. He doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't.
Perfect. And remember, after don't or doesn't, the verb stays in its basic form, no s or es.
So we say he doesn't play, not he doesn't plays.
Exactly. Now let's practice. I don't drink coffee in the evening. You don't eat breakfast early. We don't go to work on Sunday. They don't watch TV every day.
I don't play computer games at night. You don't drive to school. We don't cook every day. They don't study on weekends.
Tom doesn't wake up early. Penny doesn't like cold weather. Lucy doesn't read horror books.
He doesn't play basketball. She doesn't cook breakfast. It doesn't rain a lot here.
Tom doesn't work on Saturdays. Penny doesn't drink soda. Lucy doesn't drive to work.
It doesn't rain a lot here. That's not about England.
True. Remember, we say doesn't plus base verb, never doesn't plays or doesn't watches.
Okay. He doesn't watch TV. She doesn't play tennis. It doesn't fly high.
Excellent. Now a quick challenge. I say a sentence, you make it negative.
Okay, I'm listening.
He plays football every Sunday.
He doesn't play football every Sunday.
She studies every morning.
She doesn't study every morning.
They go to the gym after work.
They don't go to the gym after work.
It rains in July.
It doesn't rain in July.
Beautiful job, Jake.
I'm doing good, right?
You're doing well, Jake. All right, friends. Time for questions in the present simple.
Excellent. Finally, I love asking questions.
Yes, I've noticed. Listen carefully. We use do for I, you, we, they, and does for he, she, it.
So, do I, do you, do we, do they, and does he, does she, does it.
Perfect. And remember, after do or does, the verb is in the base form.
Right. Does he play? Not does he plays.
Exactly. Let's practice with easy daily actions. Do you wake up early? Do they walk to school? Do we study on Fridays? Do I speak too fast?
Does he play football after school? Does she watch TV in the morning? Does it rain a lot in November?
Do you drink coffee? Do they like music? Does he cook dinner? Does she go jogging?
Does Tom call you after class? Do Penny and Lucy watch movies on Friday nights? Does Penny drink soda? Does Lucy play the guitar?
Notice the pattern. Do, does, plus subject, plus base verb, plus question mark. Then, short answer. Yes, no, plus subject, plus do, does, don't, doesn't.
Got it.
Let's do one more round. Mini conversation practice. Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I do. I drink 1 cup before class. Do you?
No, I don't. I drink tea. What time do you get up?
I get up at 7. What about you?
I get up at 6. Do your friends study English too?
Yes, they do. Tom studies with me. Penny studies online.
And Lucy?
Lucy doesn't study much, but she watches English movies.
Okay, one last quick game. Finish the sentence. Every morning I...
Check my phone.
He never...
Eats vegetables.
She always...
Listens to music when she studies.
They sometimes...
Go to the gym together.
It usually...
Rains when I forget my umbrella.
You did amazing, Jake. You really understand present simple now.
Thanks, teacher. I don't fear the S anymore.
That's progress.
So what's next?
Next, we'll review everything and then talk to our viewers, our friends learning with us. Wow, Jake, what a lesson! We did everything today. Positive, negative, questions, and even games.
Yeah, my brain feels full but happy.
That's the best kind of learning. Let's do a quick review before we finish. Present simple equals habits, routines, and facts. I, you, we, they equals base verb. He, she, it equals add s or es. Negatives equals don't or doesn't. Questions equals do or does.
Do you drink tea? Does she study English?
Excellent.
I can teach this now.
Let's not rush, Teacher Jake. Friends, now it's your turn.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments, what time do you get up?
What do you eat for breakfast?
What do you do in the evening?
You can use I or he, she in your sentences.
For example, I get up at 7, he gets up at 8. She eats cereal for breakfast.
That's it. Easy and fun.
Write your sentences in English. Don't worry about mistakes. We learn together.
Yes, we all make mistakes. Even me.
Especially you, Jake.
Hey.
You're great, Jake. And you, dear viewers, you're doing great too.
Keep practicing a little every day. Just 5 minutes is enough to grow.
Small steps every day, big progress.
English is fun when you use it.
Thank you for joining us today, friends.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Do You Know English?
And write one sentence about your daily routine in the comments.
Yes, use the present simple. Show us what you can do.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye, friends. Keep smiling and keep learning.